Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about some error in coding. Right, whenever we are writing any code, and sometimes if you will see, right, sometimes we all are facing some issue. Right, whenever we are going to run any program, we are facing issue like we are giving output like same as mention output in questions, but sometimes we are facing issue like our test case is not pass. So what is the problem of that issue? Right, if you will see in this example, right, I have taken some example related to that one. Right, you can easily see here in this problem, right, they mentioned that expected output is right this one and actual output is this one. So if you will see in first thing you can see both are same, that why it is right saying that test cases is failed, right? But if you will see right in deeply, you can easily figure out that here, right, in expected output they mention a small l in right this left word, but here in our actual output we are right printing output like capital L. These two are completely different. Right, we cannot do these things in our programming or coding. Whenever we are writing program, we have to focus about right output, and each and every time we need to be right display our output of our program same as mentioned in question. We cannot even change a single space anything in that code. Suppose here you can see in expected output they mention right after 3 there is no any space, after 3 there is colon and then total number of right monkey available. So here if you will write in program and you will give a space after this tree, right, so your test case will not pass, because it is when it is running the program it will going to right check each and every character, right, character by character. So in this case here when it is coming here, our test case is going to fail because of this single mistake, a little mistake, right? So whenever we are doing program we have to completely focus about it, right? For this one you can do this thing, right, when you are coding. So sometimes it's a long word and you have to check each and every word, then you have to type that word. So you can do that thing in question. They have given this word, you can easily copy this, select this all word and you can copy and paste in your code, and instead of this value you use your variable as which you have declared, right? So let's discuss about another problem. If you will see this problem have also same issue, right? You can see this is this is input, okay, but they said that expected output right like this one, but we are going to, our program is going to generate output like this. So you can see they are also little bit difference between these two. You can see that here in expected output they mention capital T, right, and S capital C in cost, but here our output is giving a small t and a small c in this output. That's why it's giving error, sorry, not passing test case. You can also see that here in result they mentioned that 1224.0, only one digit after decimal places, but our program is generating 5 6 digit after decimal places. So we have to be focused about it also, right? And also you can see that in output, right, in expected output they mention after this value, right, after this amount they mention INR, but we are we have forget to write INR in our output. That's why our test is not going to pass. So we have to be focused about each and every word, each and every character of output. So let's see another problem, right? You can see here, right? So in this problem if you will see here, right, they mention our test case is pass, because you can see here our each and every character is going to match with this correct this output, expected output, right? So in this case our test case is going to pass. Means that our program is running successfully, but somewhere in logic we have done any mistake. That's why our test case is not going to pass. So this types of problem is called, we can say that it is logical error. Let's discuss about syntax error, some syntax error. So syntax error, it means that when we are going to compile our program, that time we are getting error, right? Solving syntax error is very easy, because when you are running program, compiler tell you, right, compiler will display you where you have done any mistake, right? Not exactly, but somewhere nearby where you have done mistake they mention that. If you will see in this program, the compiler mentioned that in main function you have done mistake, the error name is that capital I was not declared in this scope. So it means that somewhere we are using capital I, but we have not declared that I, or we have declared that I scope of right where we are using. So you can see that in this program they clear declare 4 int small I. Here you can see in for loop they have created a small I, but here after in incrementation part they use capital I. That's why it is giving error. So you can easily say that in where they are giving error, they are giving error in line number, right? The c.cpp is our program in line number 22. So when you will go line number 22, nearby line number 22, you will find that they have you have used loop and you are using this mistake. You have done this mistake, right? So you can easily figure out that. In another error explanation, you can see that in this error they are showing many error. So you can sometimes you feel that you have done a single mistake or single error in your program, but compiler is showing too many error because of, suppose you have created one variable I, and you are using in your program you have used 5 times that I, and you have created that small I and you are using that capital I. So all places where you have used that small I variable instead of capital, you will get error, right? So you have only one error in your program, but you are getting 5 error because of that you have created that variable and you are using that variable in rest of places. So in this problem you can also see that they mention many error, some error you can see empty character constant string temp, some error related to temp, and you can say that some error related to vector. So here you can easily find out that error, they said expected column, but you are not going to this. You can see that here vector, after creating vector v, here you can see he is using colon. After creating this variable v, he is using colon. We know that each and every in program, each and every line is going to end with semicolon. So here he forget to write semicolon, instead of they write colon. That's why it is giving error, or you can also see that they are also different error because of that error. You can see, if you will see in program, here also you can see another error name is that unable to deduce auto and from v, because we have created v variable wrong way. That's why it is going to generate error according to this. You can see that if error line number is 19, if we will go and in our program, you can see that in here this is line number 20, here nearby 19 line number we have done mistake. You can see that after creating this vector he is using colon instead of semicolon. That's why it is giving error for this v and also giving error for this string temp, because whenever compiler will find semicolon, it means say that that line is going to end, but in this case he is not going to find semicolon. It means that this two line, vector line and string line, these two line are compiler thinking about, these two line are one line same. That's why it is giving error related to temp also, so let's discuss about next error. You can see that this next error, in this next error they are also giving some error and also giving line number of that error. So I earlier also said that finding syntax error is very easy instead of logical error. Sometimes in logical error you have to spend some time. It means that you have to try run that program where you are going to do any mistake, but in compile time error or syntax error you can easily, it means even 20 or 15 seconds you can figure out where is the error. If you will see in this problem, they first mentioned that that a macro name must be identified. It means that somewhere you have created this macro and you are doing any mistake in that places. So we know that whenever we are creating macro in first of our program. So easily we will go there and we can figure out where is the problem. In this program they also mention another program, line number 17, they said error missing template argument. They said that we have used dual angle bracket, where you can say here they have also created vector, a string, but here instead of one single angle bracket he is using dual angle bracket. That's why it is giving error related to them. You can see that line number 17 is giving error. When we will go in our program and we will try to figure out nearby line number 17, we will easily find out our error. So let's see in this program. You can see that here somewhere in line number 17, he is creating vector variable, but instead of single angle bracket he is using dual angle bracket. That's why it is giving error related to them. You can easily find out, So let's check another problem. In this problem you can see that they have mentioned some error. Like if you will see, they have mentioned in if condition there are some error. Here we know that when we are going to compare any character or any string, we need both sides. So you can see that here he is using only single double quotes in one side. After this, and they also need to write double quotes, but they forget to write that one. This is why it is giving right error. So you can easily figure out, and where you know that you have written program, you can easily find, oh, where we have used this if condition related to x or n, you can easily go there and you will figure out that error. So this is some example of right error. So let's run some program on our editor, and we will check real time error. So suppose you can see that this is our program, right? If suppose here we forget to write right semicolon, and when we will run this program, we will get error related to that one, right? If you will see this error, they also clearly mention that expected semicolon before right curly braces. You can see that line number 21, they said that nearby 21 you have done any mistake. So when we will go nearby 21, you can see that here we have forget to write semicolon. When we will write semicolon again and we will run this program, we can easily figure out that our program is running successfully, right? If you will see, they mention some input, right? I have written some input here, so I will directly paste input, and when we will run this program, you can see number of monkey left on tree 10. This is our output of that program. So remember, in early of this video, I have clearly mentioned that we have to give output same as in question mentioned. Suppose they here in question they have mentioned capital L, right, and capital L, and we will use a small l. That's why at that time also we will get right, we will get a logical error, and our test case will not pass at that time. So in question what they mentioned, we have to use that same way, right? And also if you see, there are many. Suppose here we are using correct, right, here we use single quotes, right? So this is right wrong syntax. So in this, when we will run this program, it will generate error. So whenever, if suppose you are using code block, and at time you will not find a run option because of you have run one program and you have not ended that program. So just press any button or just close. So after closing, you will get a right run option here. This problem only comes in code block, right? If you are using code block, so you have to aware about it also. So let's run this program. After running, you will get that we can find error, and in error they also clearly mention that, if you will see, they mention line number 13, 14, somewhere we have done mistake. So if we will go in near line number 13, right, they mention that missing terminator character, right, single quotes. So if you will see line number 13 here, you can easily figure out that here we have done one mistake, right? So it is very basic problem of finding error. You can use, suppose here we have created int variable, right, and sometime what we have done, we have used right 2 times int anywhere, right? Suppose here you will use int m. So here you will get error because in one single line we can use only one int, right, or only one data type. So when we will run this program, we will get again error. You can see that expected right unidentified id before int, right, before int we are getting right this one, because if we will write semicolon here, it means that compiler will understand this is different line and this is different line. In this time we will not get any error, right? Here you can easily see when we are going to run this program, we are not getting error because compiler will understand this is different line, this is different line, right? So, and also we mentioned that C, C++, Java, these all are right case sensitive language. Case sensitive language, it means clearly that in right compiler they define int as a small int. When we will use capital I here, it will generate error because a small I or capital I both are completely different, right? When you will run this program, they say that I don't know what is this capital int I. Right, here you can see that they mention we don't know, and you can also see that they give an error related to nkj, right? We have done only one mistake. We have created capital I instead of a small I, but it is generating 4 error because of we have created this all variable, this 3 variable, right? That's why it is giving error. When we will remove this one, we will not get any error, right? You can see that. So these are some basic error we have to figure out. So whenever run program, you will try to, whenever you will get any error in your program, try to read that error, right? Whenever you will read that error, you will understand the concept of right something, like whenever you will next time you will get error, you will try to remember that one, right? Oh, last time we have done this mistake and we have solved this mistake by this concept. So right, actually whenever I am doing program, like sometime I also writing code and getting some error, so I just like to figure out where that is error. Thank you so much for being here.